Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your gender in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just tap on Profile, and then on Manage Your Account, then on Personal Details, and then on Gender. And here we can select if you are a man or a woman, and then we just tap on it and tap on Save. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.